Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, so today I'm making the video after CPI. We were expecting some crazy volatility during CPI and there was no unidirectional movement in the market, but yes, we got to see some crazy movements. And today also, my dear friends, you need to be careful because if we look at the economy calendar, then we can see that today we have PPI. Okay, PPI will also bring some volatility to the market. Please be careful. If not a complete unidirectional movement, at least there is a high chance that market will be hitting stop losses at both buy and sell sides. So please be careful. As I always say, beginners, new traders and traders with low capital, you should always avoid any position during the news. You should open the chart, observe the volatility, gain some experience, but yes, it's better to stay away because see, capital protection should be your first priority, as we all know. So as you can see here, that gold in tight range with focus on Fed's rate hike moves. So it's mainly pointing towards the next FOMC, that is on 22nd March. Okay, so right now after the NFP, after the CPI, market is mostly waiting for the FOMC statement or the next interest rate hike decision by the Feds. And yes, next FOMC will be very critical and dangerous. So if you look at a chart of DXY, then the overall stance on DXY has not changed. The present structure of DXY is still kind of bearish, as I have already mentioned in my previous video that the next big support on the chart of DXY is only 102.60 to 102.50. There may not be a big drop on the chart, but yes, slowly market will be going down and there's a high chance that market will be heading towards the next support of 102.60 to 102.50. This is the only immediate support on the chart of DXY or US dollar index right now. And before I proceed with the levels, my dear friends, I would like to mention that see, whatever levels I'll be mentioning, okay, those will only work during the normal hours. So try to avoid trading on the basis of technicals during news, because probably you all have heard me saying a lot of times that whenever news or fundamentals dominate the market, technicals usually fail, and that is a bitter reality of the market. For example, after a particular news, if you see market is going up, it's better to follow the trend of the market. It is better to be on the buy side instead of looking at resistance and instead of looking for a trend reversal. That is a foolish decision. If you see market is falling after a particular news, it's better to take a sell position instead of trying to predict the market that market has reached the bottom and it will reverse from there. Keep in mind, we are retail traders. We do not have the strength and money to change the direction of the market. If billions of dollars buying is going on with few $100s in your trading accounts, few $1,000s in your trading accounts, you cannot change the direction of the market. It's like $5 billion, okay, $5 billion, and on other hand you have got $1,000. Who will win the battle? Okay, obviously this big player will win, isn't it? So it's always better to follow the trend when the news comes out. Okay, so now let's have a look at the chart of gold. So first of all, we have a bullish flag. Okay, you can clearly see that we have a bullish flag formation on the chart, and bullish flag is a trend continuation pattern. Means that after a big sharp move, market goes for consolidation. It's in resting mode right now, and there's a high chance that market will break the flag and start moving again. Okay, so what you need to do here is that you can also draw a flag like this, draw a line at the top, draw a line at the bottom, and just wait for the market to break the line at the top. If you see market is breaking the line at the top and moving up, you can go for a buy, because it is a confirmation that the market is about to go up again. So bullish flag is a trend continuation pattern, so most of the time you will see working nicely. but yes, you need to follow proper risk management because there is no 100% guarantee in the market. Okay, so first of all, the bullish flag pattern, if market breaks the flag, you can go for a buy position. Okay, and on the other hand, we also have support around 1890 to 1890 to 1889. You can see this is the first support on the chart of gold for the day because of Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, as well as we also can see that this was also the previous resistance around the area. So previous resistance will act as support. Along with that, we have Fibo. Okay, Fibo 0.236. So if we combine both the factors, then yes, there's a good chance that if there is no news in the market, if you see market coming down, then market will be taking support. If you see market is taking support around 1890, if you see market is forming a hammer pattern, market is showing price rejection from below, you can go for a buy position. No need to look at the 4 hours time frame. It is a very slow time frame. You can simply, for confirmation, you can simply consult the hourly time frame or 15 minutes time frame as well. And secondly, we have support around 1874.80 to 1871. Why this level is support for us? Because of Fibonacci. Yes, again we are here again we are using Fibonacci here. So Fibonacci 0.382 plus price rejection from below around this area. You can see price rejection around this area plus Fibonacci 0.382. Along with that, we also have price rejection previously. So previous resistance to act as support, then we have Fibonacci, then we have price rejection. So if we combine all the three factors, then yes, there is a good chance that if there is no news in the market, and if you see market testing this level, market will be receiving some support. Once you see market is taking support around this area, you can go for buy position. So according to my analysis, these are the two best supports on the chart of gold right now. But as you can clearly see that right now market is standing at 1902 and these levels are far away. So for day traders, yes, for day traders, we also have minor support around 1895. 1895 level, we have minor support, and the reason is previous price rejection around the area. Keep in mind, my dear friends, I'm using 1895 on the 15 minutes time frame, so that the levels from lower time frame are less reliable in comparison to the levels from the higher time frame. So be careful. If you're a new trader, if you cannot afford to lose any money right now, then 1895 is not the level for you. You should mostly try to trade on levels like 1890, 1874, 1873. Okay, so whatever you do, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Be careful. And secondly, if you're wondering about resistance, then as the market is extremely bullish right now, okay, it is better to avoid taking a sell position. Taking a sell can be very, very risky in this type of market. But still, if market reaches 1914 level, okay, and if you see that there is not much buying going on in the market, you can consider taking a sell around 1914 as well if market shows price rejection from above. But keep in mind, taking a sell is risky in this type of market. So if you want to avoid, you can avoid as well. And my dear friends, lastly, from tomorrow onwards, the workshop is about to start, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop that are conducted in both Hindi and English language. If you really like my work, if you really want to learn about market, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the workshop. It's a 3 days workshop, and the best part is that after the 3 days workshop, you will also receive support for 1 whole month so that you can understand how to proceed in the market. These are the benefits of joining the workshop, or what are the benefits you will be receiving after the workshop. Okay, so the workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program, so don't get confused with the Pro Trader program and the workshop. And I have also made a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. Okay, and if you really want to learn about my journey, I have also shared my journey so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And the best part, The best part is the fees. Okay, you can see the fees is only $15. $15 for 3 days workshop and support for 1 month. Okay. So the date is 16, 17 and 18th of March. The timing is mentioned on the website. If you are unable to attend, okay, then also you don't need to worry, because traders from all around the world sign up for the workshop, and due to time difference they cannot join. As a result, I record each and every session. Okay. So everything is mentioned on the website. The link is in the description. Bye bye. Take care.